I'm back again with the 7-foot Erskine Snowblower. I finished rebuilding it about a month ago, and since then one of the lower pins on the 3-point hitch set up. This snowblower was originally only set up for a Category 2 snowblower. One of the previous owners welded on the smaller 7/8 pin to make it a Category 1 and Category 2. So what they did is they just butt welded a 7/8 piece of round onto the 1 1/8 piece of round that is the Category 2. So you can see right there, all they did was butt the one rod up to the other and weld around the outside. Didn't do a lap weld or anything. So it broke off here a couple of days ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove both of them and manufacture new pins for both sides, and we'll keep the Category 2 on the outside and the Category 1 on the inside. So Category 1 is 7/8, Category 2 is 1 1/8. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that right now. Both of these pins are going to be removed because one has failed, the other one's eventually going to fail. So that's a pretty crappy welding job that's been put on this. We'll fix that. So here's what I'm using to fix that lower link pin. I've got a 7/8 cold rolled solid rod that's going to run the whole length, and then I have 1 1/8 OD steel tubing that the 7/8 is going to slide into. So we'll weld that all together. It'll end up exactly the same as it was with the Category 2 1 1/8 on the outside, Category 1 7/8 on the inside, and it'll be able to be used by either a Cat 1 or a Cat 2 tractor. So I've got the 7/8 round cut into a 9-inch length, and the 1 1/8 OD pipe cut into 6-inch lengths. So the 7/8 fits inside the pipe. We'll weld them together. I'll drill a couple of weld holes in the pipe so that I can get a good contact there, and the butt end at the far end there where the 7/8 round sticks out, I'll weld that in good, and then we can cut off the old ones and weld on the new ones. Well, I've finished welding on both of the new pins, and they're welded on the top and welded on the bottom of that 3-inch channel, and so they're in there good and solid. So these will be better than the ones that the previous owner put on there. So all I've got left to do is put a primer coat on there and do some touch up on gray, and we'll be finished. So I've finished painting the 2 pins that I put on. It all looks good. Everything worked out as intended. It's ready to go back to work.